Hi, I'm Roselle with Farmer Brown Insurance, and in today's video we will be discussing builder's risk insurance and why you are required to have this type of policy. Now, it is also referred to as course of construction insurance, and as the name suggests, it provides protection for your property when it is a brand new construction or as a remodel project. Why do I need a builder's risk policy? If you are planning to remodel your home or build a brand new home of your dreams, you will need builder's risk. A standard homeowner's policy does not offer coverage if the home is undergoing an extensive remodel or being built from the ground up. This is a totally different type of risk and requires its own insurance policy. Now, majority of the times, individuals will take out a loan from the bank in order to finance this project. Your mortgage company or credit union will always require that a builder's risk policy is in place. Requiring you to have this type of policy makes sure that their financial interests are protected. Imagine that you are almost complete with your project and overnight a fire breaks out and completely destroys your property. Or you just ordered all the timber you need to frame your home and overnight that is stolen. Your builder's risk policy will offer coverage for this. Now, most mortgage companies will not even allow the closing on your property to go through without having a builder's risk policy in place. My general contractor has insurance, so I don't need builder's risk. Now, general liability insurance is required for contractors. However, this only covers the builder when their work causes property damage or bodily injury. It does not cover your property from theft, vandalism, acts of God, and even fire damage. It also does not cover any materials. This is why a separate builder's risk policy is needed. How much does it cost? A builder's risk policy offers tailor-made coverage to the project owner, so the cost will correspond to the amount of protection required. It also takes into consideration the construction type and project budget. A general rule of thumb is that your builder's risk policy will cost about 1% of your construction budget. If you would like to get a quote for your builder's risk insurance, simply give me a call at the number below. We have specialized in providing builder's risk policies for the past 20 years and only work with A-rated companies, so we can make sure that you are completely covered. Thanks for watching.